to take you into Courthouse Square right now. Courthouse Square is probably best remembered as Hill Valley in Back to the Future movies with Michael J. Fox and Christopher Lloyd. This is where they have the clock tower. Yes, now Courthouse Square, of course, has been many other places and many other films throughout the years. And here it is once again as Hill Valley. But you might also remember it as Kingston Falls and Gremlins, or Maycomb, Alabama, To Kill a Mockingbird. And once again, it was Buffalo, New York, and Bruce Almighty, Jim Carrey. Right now we're going to take you to another part of New York. We're going to take you to the Big Apple. Now the world is just around the corner here on the back lot. And, well, look, we're here. Welcome to New York, everyone. New York City, the Big Apple.